Okay, yeah, so we want to find the area of this figure. How are we going to do it? Well, it's two parts. It's a triangle, and then it's half a circle. So we're going to have to take the triangle, area of a triangle, plus half the area of a circle. So what's the area of a triangle? Well, it's a half times base times height. And what's the area of a circle? I'll change to a different color here. It's pi r squared. All right, so half base times height. So this is the base and this is the height of that triangle because they are at 90 degrees. Base and height always have to be at 90 degrees. They are, whoops. So that's all good. So that's a half, the base is 15, the height is 8. Let me see what's that going to be. Oh, I think it comes out 60 plus, and now the other part, half pi. And what's the radius? That's a little tricky. What's the radius of the circle? Well, if you go from the very middle of the circle, that doesn't look like the middle, maybe about right there, to the edge, that's the radius. So that's got to be 17 divided by 2, doesn't it? And so that radius is going to be, what is that, 8.5? 8.5, because 17 is all the way across the circle. Remember, radius is always halfway across the circle. So that's going to be 8.5 squared like that, because the radius, again, is halfway across the circle from the middle to the edge. So it's half of the 17, 8.5. All right, so then using my calculator, putting in the pi button, or I'll put 3.14159. I'll actually use the whole pi button, which is a little quicker and more accurate. 8.5 squared. Let's see what I get on my calculator here. Times using the pi button. 0.5 squared. I'm getting 113.49. Add those together. Total is 173.49. They want to round it to the 10th. So that means I got to cut it here. That 9 rounds this up. So it'd be 173.5. So 173.5. Total area of that figure. It's a half a circle and a triangle added together on that. So there we go.